just jump right into it, guys. This is a really quick video. Here I have a whole chicken that was seasoned overnight with all my regular seasoning, and then I added some Italian dressing, ranch, and some Chick-fil-A sauce, and that was sitting overnight for about 12 hours. Here I have them on my sheet pan, and it's going into the oven to roast. I'm also making some creamy garlic mash. Here I have my potatoes cooking in some garlic powder, salt, and I did add some garlic cloves. Here's my chicken, 45 minutes in. The skin is crisping up nicely, and I'm just gonna flip them and let them continue to cook for the next 45 minutes. What is this? Okay, here I am flipping it. Okay, my potato is ready. I'm adding some butter. I'm adding more butter. Then I'm gonna be adding some parsley flakes, some oregano, and Italian seasoning. I'm also gonna add some Parmesan cheese as well. I'm also gonna add some milk, and then we're gonna take a hand mixer and bring that creaminess to life. So here we have it, creamy garlic mashed potatoes. Very creamy, very yummy, and delicious. And here is the finished product of my roasted chicken. I served it with my creamy garlic mash that I served it with some roast Brussels sprout, and all of that sauce that was left over when I took out that chicken that it was sitting in, I turned it into a gravy, and this was dinner. Look at that, delicious, healthy, and flavorful. And this is a quick plating, so filling, so healthy, so flavorful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.